Venus, the second planet from the Sun, is often referred to as Earth's sister planet due to its similar size, mass, and proximity to our own world. However, this is where the similarities end. While Earth is teeming with life, oceans, and a breathable atmosphere, Venus is an inferno, completely hostile to life as we know it, shrouded in dense clouds and bathed in an atmosphere of toxic gases. Venus is the epitome of a planetary hellscape. If you were to spend just a few seconds on its surface, the experience would be brief, excruciating, and fatal. The first thing you would encounter on Venus is its searing heat, with surface temperatures averaging around 467 degrees Celsius (870 degrees Fahrenheit). Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury, despite being farther from the Sun. This intense heat is a result of the planet's thick atmosphere, composed mostly of carbon dioxide, which traps heat in a runaway greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect on Earth is a natural process that warms our planet to habitable temperatures, but on Venus, this effect has spiraled out of control. The carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere, which is more than 90 times denser than Earth's, acts like a thermal blanket, preventing any heat from escaping into space. As a result, the surface of Venus is perpetually scorched, day and night, with temperatures high enough to melt lead. If you were to step onto the surface of Venus, the first sensation you'd feel if you could feel anything in such extreme conditions would be an overwhelming, all-encompassing heat. The air around you would be so hot that it would instantly ignite any flammable material. Your clothing, if not specially designed to withstand extreme temperatures, would catch fire and disintegrate within moments. Unprotected human skin would burn almost instantly, and the heat would sear through your flesh. Within seconds, the moisture in your body would evaporate, leaving your tissues and organs desiccated and charred. Even in a spacesuit designed for the conditions in outer space, survival on Venus would be impossible. The heat would quickly overwhelm the suit's cooling systems, causing them to fail, and your body would succumb to the extreme temperatures in seconds. But the heat is only one of the many lethal dangers on Venus. The atmospheric pressure at the planet's surface is another formidable threat. Venus's atmosphere is about 90 times denser than Earth's, creating a surface pressure equivalent to what you would experience nearly a kilometer underwater in Earth's oceans. The moment you stepped onto Venus, this crushing pressure would begin to take its toll. Unprotected, your body would be compressed by the immense weight of the atmosphere, causing your lungs to collapse and your organs to rupture. Even if you were wearing a specially designed pressure suit, the force exerted by the Venusian atmosphere would be so great that the suit could fail, causing catastrophic injuries within seconds. This extreme pressure also poses a significant challenge to any spacecraft or lander attempting to explore the planet. To date, only a few spacecraft, such as the Soviet Union's Venera missions, have successfully landed on Venus and transmitted data back to Earth. Even these robust machines, built to withstand extreme conditions, only survive for a short time before succumbing to the planet's relentless pressure and heat. For a human, the experience would be even more dire. The moment you set foot on Venus, the pressure would press down on every part of your body, making it feel as though you were trapped at the bottom of the deepest ocean trench on Earth. Your chest would be crushed, making it impossible to breathe, and your bones would likely fracture under the stress. In addition to the crushing pressure and intense heat, the atmosphere of Venus is composed primarily of carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid hanging above the surface. The air is so thick with carbon dioxide that breathing it would be impossible. Even a single breath of this toxic gas would result in immediate suffocation, as your body would be unable to extract oxygen. The lack of oxygen would cause you to lose consciousness almost instantly, and death would follow shortly after. But the dangers of Venus's atmosphere don't end there. The sulfuric acid clouds that perpetually cover the planet add another layer of lethal danger. These clouds are composed of highly corrosive droplets of sulfuric acid, which, if they came into contact with your skin, would cause severe chemical burns. Any exposure to this acid would result in immediate pain and destruction of tissue. If the acid were to get into your eyes, it would cause blindness and excruciating pain. Breathing in even small amounts of sulfuric acid vapor would damage your respiratory system, leading to rapid suffocation.